Today, I want to share with you a bit of a secret. A design I came up with I call soft wrenches or soft pliers. It's when you want to have the grip and the strength, but you don't want to damage the surface. Whether it's trying to take the plastic lid off a stuck barbecue sauce, hold on to an awkward piece that you're trying to drill, or disassemble two things stuck together where you don't want to mar the surface. These really do have 1,000,001 uses and applications. It costs less than $1 to take an existing tool and modify it to a soft tool. So let's go to a top-down shot and we'll get into all the details. For years I used to tape wrenches or pliers. Here I used some blue painter's tape, I've used masking tape, I've used all sorts of plastic tapes on top of masking tape, but eventually they all wear through. I've actually also used aluminum foil, which works in a pinch, but again, it's metal and you can scrape it on things and it will sometimes leave marks. And then one day I just came up with this crazy idea of just putting some tubing. In this case, this is 5/8 inch outer diameter, 1/2 inch inner diameter. And you just push it on and cut it right off. Sometimes you want a little bit of an extension. I've used these two wrenches 2 to 3 to 5 times a week, sometimes even daily or multiple times a day, depending on the project. And this one right here is just starting to show some wear. And the great thing about the design is you can just take it off and swap it out for a new pair. I've been so happy with these that I decided I'm going to make 2 different versions of needle nose pliers. This tubing happens to be 3/8 inch outer diameter, 1/4 inch inner diameter. And I'm just going to press it on there. And you can actually use a table or whatever to get a good bit of length on there, like that. And I've pretty much covered all the rough surface. And then just take a pair of scissors, that's all you need, and cut it off. Like that. And then just do the other side. Really doesn't take much time at all. Get right above the tip and just cut it off. This tubing is pretty cheap. You can get it for about $5 and it has all sorts of different uses. Or you can get a smaller amount for a couple bucks. You know, maybe I'm just going to do the tip of this guy. Just push it on there. You want it to make sure that it's a snug fit so it's not going to back off on you. Now I guess you could do one side. I've just found doing both sides seems to be the way to go. A pair of scissors, some tubing, and you've got something that's going to help you out to clamp all sorts of things down without damaging the surface. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in tool hacks and different designs, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, testing of sports gear, electronics, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what you're gonna see.